In this video, discover how you can easily deploy your React application in 5 to 10 seconds. Now, head over to launch.nife.io and register for an account if you haven't already. Oikos is an amazing platform with powerful features for managing, deploying, and scaling your applications. Today, we'll focus on deploying your site. Click on the sites in the navigation bar. On the Sites page, click the plus New Site button. Here you can edit your site name. Next, click on Upload your build file. Here upload the build zip file, which was created using the npm run build command, and Nife will handle the rest to deploy your application. And that's it. Your application is now live, and now click on Open. It will launch your application in a new tab. Once it's open, you can easily share the link with your audience or team for everyone to access and explore. If you're looking to connect your custom domain to your site, reach out to us at sales@nife.io, and we'll help you set it up. I hope this video helps you get started with deploying your frontend application on Nife. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.